What's up, y'all? Helix tutorial vid. I had one of my followers, Christian, ask, how do you add a wah to one of your presets? So I'm gonna take you through that process. This will be a good tutorial for some of y'all newcomers to the Helix. So first thing I'm gonna do is move right here where it says multi, click on that and click path two-way. The reason that I do that is so that way you'll have room to put the wah up here at the front. Okay, so let's move all this stuff down. And by the way, this is one of the presets out of my 8 bundle preset pack that you can get in my link on my bio. It's a great base for you to start out with, so you don't have to do so much tweaking, get some great sounds right out the gate, and it comes with an IR. I'm gonna click on right here where it's empty, and then we're gonna go right here to where it says wah. Simple. Click on Chrome Custom or whichever one you want, and there you go. So now it's turned off, but what you have to do to turn it on is get your volume pedal, press it all the way down, feel that button switch, and then it'll cut on. There you go. So let's take a listen to it. All right, so that's just a sign. That's how you do it. So let's look at how to edit it. So the low right here, that just refers to how low you want it to go. The more you go down, the lower it'll get. So the more you go up, the how much lows it'll cut out. So I like to leave mine right here, not too low. The highs is how much highs you're allowed to come in. I don't like my stuff really high. So that's how you do it. So let's take a listen to it. And there you go. Helix tutorial vid 1. Let's go.